So let's find the inverse of this function. So what we're going to do is this. We're going to say let f of x be equals to x, and let that x be equals to y. So the function will look like this. We'll say x is equals to y plus 4 divided by 2y minus 5. I've replaced the x with f of x, and I've replaced the x with y. So now at this stage, our job is to make y the subject of the formula. So if I cross multiply, this will give us x multiplying with 2y minus 5, and this is equals to y plus 4. So x times 2y gives us 2yx minus 5x is equals to y plus 4. Remember, we're making y the subject of the formula. So on the left hand side, we'll have 2yx minus y. This is equals to 4 plus 5x, because this 5x goes to the other side, so we'll say plus 5x. So if I factor out y on the left hand side, we'll say 2x minus 1. We factor out the y, and this is equals to 4 plus 5x. So divide both sides by this. So we'll say divided by 2x minus 1 divided by 2x minus 1. So this cancels, leaving us with y is equals to 4 plus 5x divided by 2x minus 1. So now it's this y that actually becomes the inverse of x, which is equals to 4 plus 5x divided by 2x minus 1, like that. So there you have it. This is the inverse.